What you think?
Straight up. Grand Canyon level yet?
Little taste. Little taste.
Oh, there's the Gunnison River. The culprit responsible for all of this. Majesty. So James is filling up a bucket. We went into town yesterday, into Montrose, and we couldn't find a shower.
Well, we found a shower.
We found a shower. They wouldn't let us shower.
One was truckers only, and
Correct.
then the other was one person
Yeah.
working the whole place.
Yeah, she was having like a mental breakdown, so I was like, we'll skip the shower for now. But we're filling up the bucket, and we're gonna wash her hair, and then probably wash her bodies with just the, yeah, that thing. Stick that out the window. So, we'll see. We're watching the sunset at our campsite. It's a little chilly, maybe like mid to low 60s right now, but we came over to this side because we're parked over there because the sun's setting over there. And so the sun has been warming these rocks, these lava rocks, and they are like little seat warmers.
They're lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely to watch the sunset. Anyway, I'm gonna show you some of the sunset. see Lost Lake on Grand Mesa. So far it's been pretty mild.
Yeah. Lots of trees.
Yeah, it's a very nice day too. It's like 65 degrees out here, so it's perfect and so much shade. But yeah, so let's
Onward.
Onward.
Awesome. It's very unique.
It is, and it's really not that far of a hike. It's like 2.5 miles in and out, so it's pretty mellow.
Lots of lava rocks.
You pass like 2 or 3 other lakes on the way, so that's super cool also. Little fun facts about Grand Mesa that we learned. Grand Mesa used to be a volcano, and then it exploded, so there's lava rock everywhere.
Yeah.
And also, it is the largest mesa in the world. And there are over 300 lakes on it. And we have seen like 10-ish of them at this point.
At least laid eyes, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna see them all.
We're gonna see them all.
At some point.
At some point. So, that's our goal.
So we're about to drive. We're going to the Land's End Observatory, which is right at the beginning of going down Land's End Road, which is a wild road down the mesa that looks pretty crazy online, but we're gonna try it out.
We said, hey, why not?
And
right?
I said, I guess so. Once again, I don't like heights, but we'll see.
You don't seem very scared of us. Hi, buddy. You're a sweetheart. So this is what we're supposed to be seeing right now. And this is what we see. It's just completely white. We're not sure. We're guessing because of fires, but really not sure. Yeah. All right. Heading into the Great White Abyss.
Yeah, seriously.
Beyond this point, road not recommended for vehicles over 35 feet. Alright. We're 20. So it's 12 miles?
12 miles.
I just hope it's not like super washboard all the way or something.
Yeah. I imagine a lot of this was done by hand.
You do or don't?
I do. No equipment they would have. 35 feet seems like a lot.
Yeah.
Let's try and do this.
What are your thoughts so far?
I'm pretty excited about this spot.
Yeah, this spot's pretty awesome. We think we might be able to camp here. We're not gonna do it right now because it's supposed to snow, but so we still have like all of that, if you can see that road to go. But so far it's been all right. It's a lot of washboard, but it's been all right. Yeah, this would be a sweet spot to camp for sure.